Hello everyone, welcome to the Amazing Science. In continuation with another bunch of questions, I am here to discuss the next 14 questions. These are useful for CSIR Net Life Science. So, question number 230. Which is the effector molecule for calcitonin hormone? Answer is CAMP. CAMP is basically the derivative of ATP, act as a secondary messenger in signal transduction pathways. And if we talk about calcitonin hormone, signal transduction pathways of calcitonin hormone on receptor regulates cytoskeleton organization of osteoclast. Next question. Causative agent of mad cow disease are? Answer is prions. Prions are basically the misfolded proteins able to transmit their misfolded shape to normal variants of same protein. Next question. Which kind of transport maintain negative potential across plasma membrane? Answer is active transport. Next question. In intracellular membrane, glycoconjugates on proteins are oriented toward which side? Answer is lumen side. Glycoconjugates are oriented toward lumen side on proteins. Next question. Name the only two amino acids with sulfur present in their structure. Answer is cysteine and methionine. These are the only two amino acids in the structure of which the sulfur is present. Next question. Cholesterol lowering lipid medications used to reduce cardiovascular illness are dash. Answer is statins. Statins are basically the cholesterol lowering drugs or medications that are used to reduce the cardiovascular illness. Next question. Name the precursor of proline amino acid. Answer is alpha ketoglutarate. Next. Which kind of microscopy is used to study structural details of tissues through freeze fractionation technique? Answer is TEM. TEM is transmission electron microscopy. Next. Which pathway is used in heterolytic fermentation? Answer is phosphoketolase pathway. Question number 239. VNTRs in DNA molecules are useful for which technique? Answer is DNA fingerprinting. Next question. Name two important enzymes of site-specific recombination resulting precise DNA rearrangement. Answer is nuclease and ligase. These two sets of enzymes are very important for site-specific recombination and they result in accurate or precise DNA rearrangement. For example, nuclease enzyme cleave phosphodiester bond between nucleotides of nucleic acid. On the other hand, oppositely, ligase can restore these phosphodiester bonds. Next question. Common example of point mutation is? This is sickle cell anemia. Next question. Which nuclear protein induces photomorphogenesis in plants? This is HY5. HY5 is basically a nuclear protein or transcription factor. It is specifically involved in blue light specific pathway and it participates in transmission of cryptochromes. Next question. Which protein regulates photomorphogenesis by adding ubiquitin tags in plants? Answer is COP1. COP1 or COP1. And this name COP1 or COP1 refers to the specific coat proteins complex that initiates the budding process on cis-Golgi membrane in plants. Next, last question. Condensation product of arginine and pyruvic acid is? This is octapine. Thank you so much.